This is the single monitor desk mount arm from the brand called Mountup. This one comes with an adjustable gas spring arm and it supports a maximum of 32-inch screens. In this video, you are going to see the full review of this item, which includes unboxing, installation, good things, bad things, and finally the price and my verdict. So if you're looking for a monitor arm, watch this video completely to know more details about this. First, the unboxing. This is how the box looks and comes if you order it. Yes, it looks small but it is heavy. Inside the box, we get all the parts, the instruction manual, nuts, etc. You don't need any toolkit to install this overall setup until and unless you want to drill the holes for the table. So finally, these are all the items inside the box. Now let's see how to install it. First, attach the base plate to the table like this. These are the joints of some other plates. If you see the instruction manual while you are setting up, you will get to know what all are these. Next, add this cover. Then add this attachment. Next, add the lower arm and press it gently so it fits into it perfectly like this. You can adjust the tightness of this arm movement by using the Allen key for the nut. Next, use a bubble wrapper to keep the monitor flat, then remove the back plate and add the screws. After that, add the upper arm to the monitor and tighten the screws. Now, along with the monitor and upper arm part, place it into the lower arm cutout. As the final step, check the side rotations, up and down movements and everything before moving the table. If you feel any tightness, use the Allen key to adjust the screws. That's it. Now you're all set. I have been using it for some weeks now and here are the good points first. The first thing I noticed is that it gets some space under the monitor to use. I can keep things that need to be placed here. If you're using any decks or Mac Minis or Mac Pros, this is the best place to keep them. Next thing is improved aesthetics. It made the workspace look cleaner and more modern. And even the cables can be routed neatly through the arm. But I did not do it because I keep on changing the setups. Next important thing is better ergonomics. It helps position your monitor at the correct height, angle and distance that you want, which results in reduced neck, shoulder and eye strain. Of course, it also encourages better posture. If you're using a height adjustable desk and an adjustable chair, you don't need to worry much about this. Another thing is flexibility and adjustability. You can tilt, swivel, rotate and adjust height easily. It is useful if you share your screen or change seating position often. Even if you're watching movies or content while on bed, these features are useful with better viewing angles. Next thing I noticed is easy repositioning. If you switch between sitting and standing desk, the arm make repositioning the screen very easy. These are the good points I noticed, and of course, every item has its own limitations while it is being used. Now, here are the bad things I noticed. First, it is less stable. If you keep on touching the monitor, the position is going to get disturbed. Even though we get access to change the pressure of the arm movements, we need to adjust it with an Allen key every time. Personally, I don't do it every time. Next is you notice some wobble, especially with the larger monitors. I'm not at all using a big one here. This is a 27-inch one. Another thing is cable management is still required. Although they provided a cable management system for the arm, you still have to organize the cables along the arm. If you use a lot of external wired ones, it sometimes looks messy if not done properly. Another thing is limited weight and size support. These arms only support up to a certain monitor weight and size. This one is supported up to 32 inches and the weight is limited to around 7.9 kilograms or 17.6 pounds. If your monitor is heavy or ultra wide, you need a stronger arm rather than this. Next thing is installation. For some tables, it requires drilling, which not everyone wants. Also, it can be tricky if you haven't installed these before. Personally, for me, it took almost 1 hour to install this by looking at the manual and checking all the other accessories in the box. It's not a rocket science, but yes, if you are the person who is doing this for the very first time, you may feel like it's too much work you are doing. Finally, here is the overall verdict as well as the pricing of this monitor arm. First, the price of this one keeps fluctuating depending on the time you are purchasing, but it usually between 2000 rupees to 3000 rupees. Now, talking about the final review, here it is. The quality and stability of this arm is very good. I can say that confidently for a 27-inch monitor. If you are using very big monitors or let's say the ultra wide monitors, the stability is going to be an issue if you keep on touching your monitor. Of course, the arm is used for that. So I highly suggest you that purchasing a better one than this. Next, when it comes to the durability and functionality, yes, it is good. You can adjust and change the angles as you like. But for the rotation of the monitor, it feels a little bit on the tighter side, which made me feel like I'm going to break my monitor. Next, the height adjustment is very good, especially the gas spring mechanism. It works beautifully, no issues at all. Even aesthetics wise, this is good. I already talked about it in the good points section. So finally, should you purchase this or not for this price? All I can say is, yes, it is good. You can purchase it for using the monitors less than 32 inches. The smaller the monitor, the better it will be. But if you're having a 32-inch monitor, it's better to skip this product and purchase a even more stronger arm for better stability. So that's the overall review of this item, guys. I added the links to this product in the description box as well as in the comment section, so you can check it out if you are interested. And also, this is not a paid collaboration or sponsored video. I purchased this product for my monitor and reviewing and sharing it with you. I have also added some other branded monitor arms for different configurations as well, like if in case you're using 32 inches or more than that, like ultra wide like that. You can check those links as well in the description box. It will give you a better understanding whether you can buy that or this. And again, I don't suggest if in case you're having a 32-inch monitor going to this arm. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it and make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified for the latest videos. My name is Rajashekar, you're watching Tech Bunny, and I'll see you again in the next video.